Hey everyone, and welcome to Salsa King. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get new salsa recipes all the time. So today we're going to be making a very easy salsa. It's Salsa Taquera Verde, which is green salsa for tacos. So this is the salsa that you get when you're in Mexico and you go to a street taco stand and they've got a bottle or a bowl of green salsa. That's what this is. I mean, that's what they want. They want to make something that's easy and cheap and delicious. And so that's what we got here. I'll show you how to make it. All right, here's the ingredients. We got 6 jalapeno peppers and 2 serrano peppers, a slice of onion, pretty small, about an eighth of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, that can be one if you want. I've got a half teaspoon of salt, a fourth cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. So all you got to do to make this recipe is just take everything except the cilantro, put it in the blender until it's smooth, and then add the cilantro. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna add in the chilies. There we go. And then the serrano chilies, the onion, garlic, salt, and a fourth cup of water. All right, so that worked. I had to shake the blender quite a bit, as you saw, because I didn't chop up the chilies beforehand. If you want to make it blend a little easier, you can chop them up, but I always just throw them in and blend it. So let's put this in a bowl and add our cilantro. Into a bowl and add my cilantro. All right, looks good. I don't see any large chunks of chili in there, so that's exactly what we want to see. Um, yeah, that's what we want. All right, adding in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Stir it up. And I'm just going to test it and see if it needs more salt. Oh wow, that's really spicy. But that's what you want with a salsa for taco because in Mexico the tacos have, the fillings are usually pretty fatty, so the spiciness just cuts through the fat and it makes a really pleasing taste added together. So I don't have a lot of other uses for this salsa except for my Mexican style tacos, but there you go. Salsa Taquera Verde or green salsa for tacos. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and thanks for watching.